If you are interested in voiceover, the most important thing to understand is that you don't break into voiceover. You don't break into being a nurse. You don't break into being a school teacher or opening a pizza shop. You don't break into any skilled profession. You learn about it. If it interests you, you develop the skills and resources you need to do it, and you develop a plan that sort of services your success.
If you want to be an accountant, you don't go, I hope I break into the accounting industry. I hope I'm discovered as an accountant. You would never say that. But for some reason, when it comes to the entertainment industry, we plug those terms in. And that's unfortunate because I think that leads to failure.
There's so much misinformation out there. There's so much learn to break in, get rich quick overnight, learn the secrets of the voiceover field. The fact of the matter is, like any other profession, voiceover is simply a business.
When people begin with us at Voice Coaches, they have so many different motivations.
They're looking for an experience, they're looking to take a risk, to do something new, to do something fun. And in some cases, it's something that they've wanted to do for years. So, generally, they're pretty ready to rock and roll once they get here.
We work with the students to say, okay, don't step back and say, I need to say this the right way. The scale is more, you're either falling closer to your authenticity or you're further away from it. Getting that concept in right at the beginning is very, very important. Helping students discover this power within themselves. That's the process.
It's learning new things. Now, I've been at this for 4 decades as a professional voice actor, but I'm still learning new things. My ancient brain is still absorbing information, which I never thought I'd be doing in my mid-60s, but it is certainly something to me. That's one of the most exciting aspects of this.
Every coaching hour is an opportunity to learn more about a person, for me to get to learn more about a person and the way they approach storytelling, and to watch them learn more about themselves on how they approach storytelling.
Let's do this. Let's go about halfway through. You can stop where you say drastic measures must be taken.
Understanding the words on the page and how do you convey those words in an effective way so the listener is brought into the scene or they're moved in some way emotional. Those are the skills we're really focused on here.
This is the greatest industry in the world, and I'm talking about not just the voiceover part of it, but also the coaching part of it. Working with people who want to achieve their dreams and helping them achieve those dreams, helping them achieve something that they really love. And everyone on staff, this is one of those places where you go in, oh, another day at work. You know, people are excited to be here.
We all come with a variety of things in our background and a variety of different, not just teaching techniques, but personality and relatability. And there's somebody that is going to be a fit for everybody. And we make it a whole lot of fun. I know every time I step into a class, it's how can I make this person comfortable? And if this is our first time meeting, I want them to feel like they've already known me.
You know, one of the things that I think surprises people is that we're a real organization with real people. And that goes beyond coaching and production. We're a phone call away anytime a client or a former client needs help. That's unusual these days.
Having a diverse team of coaches is the best way to give a broad perspective of what the industry actually is.
The last thing I'd want is a bunch of people who think exactly the same way or who've had the same experiences. So we can give any client the opportunity to learn from a variety of people, or we can specialize for the client and really drill down to, the team member that sort of speaks to them and connects with them the best.
Another thing I think that people really enjoy about voiceover is the schedule flexibility. Being able to do a lot of this just from my own home studio and on my time, knowing I have a deadline, but I have the opportunity to be able to go ahead and get things done when it makes the best sense for me.
What's beautiful about being a voice actor in the field is being able to set your own hours. You can work in this field as much as you'd like or as little as you'd like, and it really can be a supplemental income or it could be full-time if that's something you really desire.
The last audiobook that I did was a rush job. And so they needed it done really quickly. And it was about half the time that I would normally get to record a full audiobook. But even within that framework, I was able to squeeze it into my own work schedule. Recording myself at home, it's very freeing.
The one piece of advice I would give someone starting out in the voiceover industry is educate yourself. Get coaching. There's one order to this and one order only. Education, demo, work.
When people come to voice coaches, they're not coming for just the duration of their program. We tell them, we're here for you. You ever have a question? We're a call away for as long as you need. That's very different.
I guess at the end of the day, the personal touch just takes a lot of the fear and trepidation out of diving into a process like this.
Set some goals. Think about what would you like to get out of this field? Money, enjoyment, learning a new skill, and circle those goals. And whenever you have a creative moment, jot down any step you think you can take to move you closer to the goals. That's a basic business plan. Goals and a set of steps and resources to reach your goals.
I think part of the reason some people think that they're not going to start things is because it's not the perfect time. There's no perfect time. Right? Is there ever a point in your life where you're like, you know what? It's the perfect time. I have absolutely nothing going on in my life.
Keep learning, keep growing, and don't ever think that the learning is done. I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm constantly learning.
You know, there's a common question I hear. Is there something that successful voice actors have in common? And there is. There truly is something successful voice actors have in common, and it has nothing to do with their voice. They truly enjoy doing it. These are people who've made up their mind to do something they can be proud of. And that feeling of pride and enjoyment, it really becomes the foundation of their success.
Do the things you know you're supposed to do. Do the things you've learned about. Use the tools you've learned about. If there's something in your life you want to do, whether it be voice acting or something else, today's the day.
Time moves quicker than we think it will. And so for myself, I don't want to wait to do the things that I love. I'm going to jump in and just see how it goes.
If you stop chasing your dreams, you're lost. But your dreams can't run forever, so you keep chasing your dreams. Today is the day to do the thing you want to do, to make the thing you really want to do, the thing you think you'll enjoy happen. Why wait?